What's up, ladies and gentlemen, back again with another video, and today we're going to be unboxing the Bruce Lee Legacy DVD box set, plus a bonus unboxing as well. So right here's the box that we're going to be unboxing right now, and here's the bonus unboxing, which is also Bruce Lee related. So let's get right to it. Got my handy dandy right over here. And we're gonna go ahead and get this thing open and up for review. So let's go ahead and unbox this right now. Right here. There we go. Side right there. Alright, got this thing open finally. It took a while just to get out the box. I gotta move this bubble wrap. Let's get that out of the way. They tape this thing real good. Just gonna have to break out the knife again. Alright, finally got that out of the way. Okay, Bruce Lee Legacy DVD box set right here. You got Bruce on the front. Here's some of the features on the back. Here's the side. These are some of the movies, documentaries we're going to be covering. And then of course there's the back. And right here. It's still wrapped up in its plastic wrapping, so I'm gonna have to unbox that part of this video too, and then we could actually take a look at the DVDs. Alright, out of the way. Okay, so right here we got 1, 2, 3, 4. You got 4 features in this Legacy DVD box set, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull them out of the box. I'll put the box to the side. First one we got is young Bruce Lee, the Little Dragon. Before his death in 1973, Bruce Lee completed 4 Kung Fu box office blockbusters for the world to enjoy. So then that's like some of the stuff on the back. This is like a collector's edition. You see, you know, different clips from the film. Here's the actual DVD. So yeah, that was the first one. Now the second one is Death by Misadventure, The Mysterious Life of Bruce Lee. On July 1973, on the cusp of international star, Bruce Lee died at the age of 32. So this one comes with like interviews and things like that. You see some of these rare photos on the back. There's the DVD, no special artwork. And then we have Bruce Lee True Story with Bruce Lee on the cover. His name has become immortal the world over, but who is Bruce Lee? So yeah, this is like I believe a Bruce-ploitation flick right here. And it comes with I guess a bunch of features on the back. There's like 2 audio commentaries and a bunch of interviews. There's the actual DVD. I believe Bruce Lee, aka Ho Chin Tao, was the most popular out of the Bruce Lee imitators. It's like the DVD got slightly damaged right there. And then last on the list we have Bruce Lee, Fist of Unicorn, the Lost Classic. In 1972, Bruce Lee's star was rising faster than anybody could have imagined. Containing rare and unseen footage of the martial arts master, Fist of Unicorn is a film no Bruce Lee should the film no Bruce Lee should be without. So yeah, it comes with a bunch of exclusive features, photo galleries, and I guess 2 different versions of the film, one in English and one in Mandarin with English subtitles. So yeah, front, back, and then, you know, the disc itself. So yeah, these are all the films right here that come in the Bruce Lee Legacy DVD box set. Let's go ahead and put it in the case. Yeah, so if you're looking for this, you could probably find yourself this on you know, eBay or maybe Amazon. I got this one off of eBay. So it's in addition to my other Bruce Lee DVD box sets as well. So now we're going to be covering the bonus unboxing right here. Let's get this open. Go. Side, like this. And right here we got the Dragon 4-pack. Comes with clones of Bruce Lee, Bruce Lee's Fist of Vengeance, Bruce Lee's Deadly Kung Fu, and Big Boss 2. So this is like a Bruce Ploitation DVD pack with 4 different features on here. You see one of the Bruce Lee imitators on the front, and then here's the, you know, screenshots from the movie on back. So let's go ahead and cut that open right there. No trash. Make it just to get the whole thing open. Okay, so yeah, here's the DVD, and now we're gonna take a look inside after I get whatever tape off of my fingers. Really, they had to seal the bottom too. Normally they just seal the top of these things, but this one got sealed on both sides. Alright, both sides are unsealed. And it's a double disc right there. So I guess 2 features on this side and then the other 2 features on the other side. Now these Bruce Lee and Bruce Ploitation box sets, they're under what you would call the brand VideoAsia. VideoAsia is the brand name right here if you guys are looking to get one. The next one I need to get to my collection is the Real Bruce Lee 2, which is the sequel to the Real Bruce Lee documentary that came out in the 70s. I covered that in one of my Bruce Ploitation unboxing videos. But yeah, if you're looking to get this box set right here, as well as this, and Bruce Lee 2, it's all under the VideoAsia brand name. So if you want to see more content like this, more unboxing videos, more Bruce Lee stuff, feel free to like, share, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys around for the next video. Alright, peace.